Gold often rises in uncertain times because investors tend to shift towards assets that are seen as more defensive when confidence in the broader market begins to weaken. When conditions are stable, capital usually moves towards assets linked to growth, earnings, and risk appetite. That often includes equities, higher-yielding currencies, and sectors that tend to perform well when the economic outlook is stronger. When uncertainty starts to build, that focus can change. Investors become less concerned with chasing returns and more focused on protecting capital, and that is usually when gold begins to attract more attention. Gold is not valued in the same way as a company share or a bond. It does not produce earnings, pay dividends, or generate income. Its appeal comes from its role as a store of value, particularly during periods of market stress. That is why it often sees stronger demand during geopolitical tension, banking concerns, inflation fears, or sharp declines in equity markets. At the same time, uncertainty alone does not automatically mean gold will rise. Traders also need to pay attention to the US dollar, bond yields, and inflation expectations. Gold is priced in US dollars, so when the dollar weakens, gold can become more attractive to buyers using other currencies, while a stronger dollar can create pressure in the opposite direction. Bond yields matter as well. Because gold does not pay interest, it can become relatively more attractive when yields fall and less attractive when yields rise. Inflation expectations are another part of the picture, since if investors expect inflation to remain elevated, gold can attract demand as a way to preserve purchasing power. So when gold moves higher, it is rarely down to one factor alone. More often, it reflects a combination of market caution, a softer dollar, lower yields, and stronger demand for defensive assets. In simple terms, gold tends to perform well when markets become more focused on protection than growth.